Transferring Polkadot to Metamask is not possible because Metamask does not support the Polkadot network. Metamask primarily supports Ethereum and Ethereum-compatible blockchains. However, you can manage your Polkadot using wallets specifically designed for Polkadot, such as Polkadot.js, Fearless Wallet, or Ledger. Here's what you can do instead. Using Polkadot.js wallet. Set up Polkadot.js wallet. Go to the Polkadot.js website. Create or import a Polkadot account if you don't already have one. Transfer DOT to Polkadot.js wallet. Open your existing wallet or exchange where your DOT tokens are held. Initiate a transfer and enter your Polkadot.js wallet address. Confirm the transaction. Ensure you send the correct amount and double-check the address. Using a hardware wallet. Set up Ledger. Install the Polkadot app on your Ledger device using Ledger Live. Connect Ledger to Polkadot.js. Open the Polkadot app on your Ledger. Connect Ledger to Polkadot.js by selecting Accounts and then Ledger. Transfer DOT to Ledger. Open your existing wallet or exchange. Initiate a transfer to your Ledger's Polkadot address. Confirm the transaction.